talk about often over the last few years has been the pitch-com. And honestly, we started thinking we've never heard what the pitch-com actually sounds like until now. Here you go.
Four-seam fastball, curveball, slider, changeup, sweeper, cutter, sinker, in, away, up, down.
So there you have it. That is the default English setting for the pitch-com. You hear that it's not just the types of pitches, but they also call pitch location. There is also a default Spanish language pitch-com. The one difference, though, is that all of the pitches, all of the locations are in Spanish except one. It still says sweeper in English because there's no word for sweeper in Spanish.
Do you know